Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We always are looking for the best Dallas apartments, the best and the newest, and this is one of the newest. It's totally new. It's called the Modera St. Paul. It's a really pretty apartment in downtown Dallas. It's a high-rise and it's just simply gorgeous. I want to talk to you just a little bit about the area here. This is on St. Paul Street. This is a north-south street that goes through downtown Dallas. This is a really good location. It's going to be close if you want to get to offices such as Deloitte, KPMG, and other offices. They're just up there, so you could technically even walk to work, but it would be a quick drive to work. It would be to get out of downtown to go north, probably about 5 minutes that direction, and that's just because of just a little bit of traffic. To get out on the south side is Young Street. It's over here. It's a really quick out that way, so you've got an easy quick out there. I want to step back and just kind of show off a little bit about the apartments here too. You can see these are really pretty apartments. These have balconies, all of them, beautiful balconies here, and just stunning apartments with beautiful balconies. So it's a nice modern feel. The Modera puts out a really good apartment, a luxury apartment, so I'm really excited to show this building off itself. There is a garage here too, and so you're going to have garage access, and that's a part of it. It's shared access, but they do have, I believe, reserved spots as well. So I'll try to confirm that when I start the tour. This is just a little bit about the area. I want you to see just the feel of it with the video, and now we're about to go in the garage. If you have questions at any time, or if you're ready to see the apartment, send me a text. Just use the number below. I'll set up virtual tours or live tours.